There are a lot of Valorant players who are not able to play the game after switching to Windows 11, because of the VAN 1067 error code. This issue appears if the Secure Boot and TPM 2.0 is not enabled or not working properly. In this video we will fix VAN 1067 error in Windows 11. Before starting the video, you are requested to please subscribe our channel and hit the bell button. Let's start the video. Go to Start menu. Search for Services. Scroll down. And find VGC Service. Double-click on it. Change startup type from manual to automatic. Click Apply. And start the service. Now you will be able to run the game.